Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open the settings. From the Settings menu, select Account Center at the top. Scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Choose Account Ownership and Control, and then tap Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple accounts, select the Instagram account you want to delete. Tap on Delete Account, then tap Continue. Choose a reason for deleting your account, tap Continue, and then enter your Instagram password to confirm. Once confirmed, your Instagram account will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.